And lastly, it's the PPP thing. PPP means that there's trust. For example, our airdrop is a trust thing. We gave one of the biggest airdrops in the world and stuff to the community with good faith. There's a trust. Now, the community trusts the team because we promise to do certain things. So we build trust. It's kind of how do you build trust between all the different stakeholders. For example, if one team member thinks that I'm going to dump the moment I get something, what would they do?
They try to get it 1 second earlier and dump 1 second earlier, right? Yeah.
So that's how things die, right? Because you create this adversarial environment. PPP is not a magic formula for manifesting money, but it's about creating a virtuous flywheel of trust.
That's really what it all comes down to. And I think that's really also trust in the community is also why these massive proposals are coming up, right? To eliminate 30% of the overall token supply, to continue Jupuaries or not, and to continue active staking rewards or not. It's a matter of kind of, does the rest of the community kind of believe in these principles and kind of trust both the community and the team to act fairly going forward?
I trust the community to make key decisions. Letting the community vote on Jupuary is a big idea of PPP. It is usually adversarial thing when token holders doesn't want to be diluted. So they go, fuck, we shouldn't give any tokens out, fuck this shit. But that creates an adversarial environment. What happens then? It's a PvP dynamic between the users and the token holders. But then if the community comes together and vote together to say, okay, we want this thing, or conversely, we don't want this thing, then it's up to me to come back with something else. But if they do want this thing, it is something that we all agree on.